Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Nano Banana inside DreamFace, the newest feature from Google that lets you generate or edit images by typing a prompt. It's super easy, super fun, and you can start right away without paying anything. Okay, let's get into it. First, just open your DreamFace like this, and then if you don't already have it, just go to Play Store and then just install it. And once it's installed, just log in with your Google account. And don't worry, DreamFace actually comes with a free plan, and you will even get a free weekly credit so you can try things out without spending money. After you are logged in, you will land on the home page like this, and then just tap on image generate, this one. Just tap on the prompt box like this and then choose Nano Banana. This is Google News feature that allows you to transform or edit images using text prompt. Basically, just type what you want and make it happen. And then let's do a quick example. I'm going to upload a photo. Just tap on this one. And then after that, just click confirm like this. And then just type your prompt or describe the image that you want to generate. For example, I will type like this. For example like this, and then to generate or to edit this image on DreamFace, you need one credit like this, and then just hit create. And okay, like this, just like this, you will see the background turn into black and white while the subject stays colorful. Really amazing, right? And then just get creative with your prompts, whether it's changing backgrounds, adding details, or even creating a whole new vibe for your photo. And okay, that's it, super simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.